Happy New Year. Mapanood mo ba yung announcement ko? About, although sa senior citizen yun, saka na nagra-wrap up na kami, medyo maganda-ganda tong updated months na ginagawa namin ni Paul. Kanina, before we went here. Because yesterday, we had, yung obligasyon natin sa halos malaki yung ma-update sa PWD saka sa solo parent. Yung senior citizen kasi updated under my time. Pero may obligasyon pa kasi yan na luma na hindi pa natin kaya kasi it was bloated at 100% eh. But anyway, I think it can be done. But yesterday, Paul and I talked. Sabi ko, konti lang na ibigay natin sa teacher. Tingnan mo nga, Paul. Ngayon, Paul said, we will inform you properly, but ako tingin ko, at least makakapagpangiti tayo ng mga guro natin. Maganda-ganda to. Ano lang, tingin ko, through the help of the taxpayers of Manila, makaka-recover tayo. Ano lang talaga, minsan talaga mapait lang ang buhay dahil sa hirap. But we need to help each other. As long as, ang guarantee ko naman sa mga taxpayer talaga, we'll spend it efficiently. In fact, makikita nyo sa ano natin, meron akong isang redirection. Ito naman, future-proof naman to. The next generation of the people of Manila will be more healthy and bright because we will now confront the nutrition of the city. A lot of scientists, doctors, and nutritionists, national government, private sector, have been telling the country as a whole, the malnourishment of our children. Now, the city of Manila, the first, or even as we speak, the only local government unit confronted and realign ourselves with the national government's effort through NDA, National Dairy Authority. Nakatulong ka na sa farmers, katulong ka pa sa magulang kasi wala na silang tosgas sa nutrition, tapos may nourishment sa bata. Now, that's why I am grateful to MHD. We utilize the money of the health department. And I am grateful to MDSW, J. De La Fuente, because of the implementation. We are serving fresh from the farm, milk from farm sa mouth ng bata 3 times a week for the next 90 days, 3 months. I think magkakaroon ng dent or traction yun sa tapos we will continue that what we have started. Now we are about to escalate. So anyway, before I continue, I'd like to recognize our Vice Mayor here and the Chairman of the Committee on Education, Councilor Joaquin Dumago. So